proper posture involves training the body to hold against gravity with the least amount of strain and tension on supportive muscles and ligaments. So in other words, we're going to gain maximum performance with proper posture and reduce the risk of injury. This is critical for our performance and sport dogs. We also want to be mindful as we are performing these exercises of where we are rendering the reinforcement to our dogs. Are we encouraging a neutral top line and a neutral headset, or are we causing our dog to arch their neck, therefore engaging muscles that we are really not wanting to target? So the picture to the left, my hands are down lower, and you see that my dog has some curve here in her neck. You also see that what does that curve do? It causes her spine to also have just a very, very slight curve to it. Okay, versus the picture on the right where my hands are giving her a neutral headset, and you can see that she has a more straight spine. So the placement of our hands and the placement of our reinforcement, and if we're luring for any of these exercises, it really matters. Here, I'm just asking her for her feet cue, and then I'm going to be adding in the beep beep cue in a minute. And then she's released to her search cue, and she's coming to get the cookie. And now I'm changing the target, okay? So we had a big target. It was really hard for her to miss that Cato. It was really hard for her to miss that climb table on the incline, right? Now I've just taken one of my little wood pieces from my stacking box over here, and I'm going to ask her to target her rear feet to that. Substantially smaller.